विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या ठिकाणी दोन ट्रायंगल्स दिलेले आहेत. एक आहे एबीसी आणि दुसरा आहे एक्स वाय झेड. आपण जर या ए पासून बीसी बाजूवर जर परपेंडिक्युलर काढला एडी आणि एक्स पासून वायझेड बाजूवर एक परपेंडिक्युलर काढला एक्सपी, आणि हे दोन्ही ट्रायंगल जर सिमिलर असतील, इफ दिस टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स, हे तुम्हाला दिलेलं आहे. आणि आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे या दोन्ही त्रिकोणाच्या एरियाचा रेशिओ बरोबर करस्पॉन्डिंग ज्या साइड्स आहेत त्याच्या वर्गाच्या रेशिओ बरोबर आहेत. It means that if two triangles are similar triangles, then ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. This is our next theorem. Theoremचं नाव आहे ratio of areas of two similar triangles. This is given to prove, and construction is AD is perpendicular to BC and XT is perpendicular to YZ. Now we know that property of ratio of areas of two triangles. Ratio of areas of two triangles equal to ratio of product of their corresponding base and height. Using that property, we get area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ. These two triangles equal to BC into AD. This base BC into height AD, base YZ into height XT. This is statement number 1. But we know that these two triangles are similar triangles. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. Given if two triangles are similar triangles, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, AB upon XY equal to BC upon YZ equal to AC upon XZ. This is number 2. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Two triangles are similar triangles, therefore corresponding sides are in proportion. Also corresponding angles are congruent. Which angles? A is congruent to X, B is congruent to Y. Angle B, which is congruent to angle Y. Look here, this is number 3. Corresponding angle of similar triangle. Now next, if we take these two triangles, triangle ADB and XTY, these two angles are congruent. These are right angles. Therefore, these two triangles are also similar by A test. These two triangles are similar. Write down this as in triangle ADB and triangle XTY, angle B is congruent to angle Y, B is congruent to angle Y from statement number 3, and angle ADB is congruent to angle XTY, reason each 90 degree. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by a test of similarity. Now these two triangles are similar, therefore their corresponding sides are also in proportion. AD upon XT equal to dB upon ty equal to AB upon xy. This is number 4. Corresponding sides of similar. Now in the statement 2 and 4, this AB upon xy is common. Therefore, these two statements are same. We write this as, therefore AB upon xy equal to this BC upon yz equal to AD upon xt equal to AC upon xz from 2 and 4. हे तिन्ही आणि हे तिन्ही हे रेशिओ सारखेच असतील. इट मीन्स दॅट AD upon xt equal to BC upon yz from these 2 and 4 statement, these two statement. Now put this value in this statement first. What is statement first? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ equal to this BC into AD divided by YZ into XT, which is equal to BC upon YZ into AD upon XT. आणि AD upon XT ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे? BC upon YZ. याला जर नंबर 5 टाकला आपण तर असं होईल ते BC upon YZ into BC upon YZ, which is equal to BC square upon YZ square. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to this. Similarly, we prove remaining sides. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ equal to AB square upon XY square equal to BC square upon YZ square equal to AC square upon XZ square, and hence proved. आपल्याला हा थेरम एकदा शांतपणे पाहून घ्यायचा आहे, पुस्तकात एकदा पाहून घ्या आणि नंतर एकदा मनाने. नाउ लेट अस लर्न अबाउट रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ two similar triangles. If these two triangles are similar triangles, triangle ABC, this triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ, then what happens? Ratio of areas of these two triangles equal to ratio of their square of their corresponding sides. इथपर्यंत आपल्याला माहिती आहे. आणि आता आपण प्रूव्ह केलं ते हेच प्रूव्ह केलं. ही AB काय आहे बरं? AB साइड आहे. पहिल्या ट्रायंगलची साइड आहे ती, पण त्याला S1 म्हणू आपण, आणि दुसऱ्या ट्रायंगलची साइड आहे त्याला आपण S2 म्हणू. S1 स्क्वेअर अपॉन S2 स्क्वेअर. इथे असं लिहिलं तरी चाललं असतं आपल्याला AD स्क्वेअर अपॉन XYZ, आणि AD काय आहे? हाईट. H1 स्क्वेअर अपॉन H2 स्क्वेअर. Similarly, we prove that medians it means that if two triangles are similar triangles, then ratio of areas of two triangles equal to ratio of square of their corresponding sides, ratio of square of their corresponding heights, and ratio of square of their corresponding medians also. This is our another property. You have to prove this property. Now examples from 1.4. First example, the ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles is 3:5. Find the ratio of their areas. Let triangles are ABC and PQR. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equal to S1 square upon S2 square, 3 square upon 5 square, which is equal to 9 upon 25. It means that ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangle is 9:25. Now next example number 3. If triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR, area of triangle ABC equal to 80, area of triangle PQR equal to 125, then fill in the blanks. मोकळ्या जागा तुम्ही भरायच्या आहेत फक्त. AB upon PQ equal to 4/5 आलेलं आहे. 1.4 मधली उर्वरित एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्ही आता सोडवायचा प्रयत्न करायचा आहे. थँक्यू.